Hello guys, it's been 4 days now that I delegated 8 core on the testnet. Over here you can see the 8 core, and I just received like 2 core within 4 days. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to select a very good validator which will give you a high profit in a very short period. So I'm also going to be showing you how you can undelegate your core and receive it in your wallet. So if you're interested in knowing how this works, stick to this video till the end. Make sure you don't skip any details. What's up guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel Urban Time, where we make review on money making applications and websites just to bring you guys the best, nothing but the best. So if today is your first time on my YouTube channel and you enjoy contents about how to make money online, and also you want to know how to make some extra crypto by the side, so this is the best channel for you. Smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload a brand new update like this for you. So I'm not going to take much of your time. Let's jump into today's video. You guys, a whole lot of stuff you need to understand about the validators and their APR and stuffs like that, how you can undelegate your code. But anyway, I did a video previously on how to delegate your core, and if you haven't seen that, I'll leave a link in the description of this video. You can go down below, click it and watch it so you can know what we are doing right here. You can understand better. I'll also leave a link by the top right of this screen. Is going to pop up. Click it and watch it if you want to, or you come back and watch it later. So right now I'm just going to show you the best validator you can pick on and stake, delegate your coins and earn high profits. So let me even quickly show you. Let me go to my staking and click over here. Okay, my staking is gonna bring it. All right, here we are. So now what I want to show you here is, what I want to say is, I actually staked, I delegated at least a few coins earlier on. I think I used one of these nodes, which is over here. You can see the nodes I used, which is the rock node, the ants node, the spider. I used them, and honestly guys, it was like taking like forever for me to earn just one core. It took me like forever, like a very long time, even after weeks, after a week and so some days I wasn't getting one core. So I had to undelegate everything I did. So you can even see from here what you can see. Okay, let me click record over here. You can see what's going on here now. All right, you can see I had to undelegate. I did used all this delegate, all these validators earlier on. You can see it here, ant, rock, spider and so on. So I had to undelegate them when I saw that it was taking too much time. I had to undelegate. You can see here I did some undelegation here, I did some here, see, too. So you can see it was something I did because I wasn't getting a good result from it. So now let me tell you how I decided, how I did it, that after all I got this 2 coin within 4 days after several weeks of delegating my core. You can see this was the last one I delegated, which is the 5 core, because I undelegated others and I took this 5. I added it to the very last the very last validator I used. So let me just show you guys how to locate a very good validator first. So once you come over here to the home page of the validator, you can look here. This is where you select the validators that are available. As you can see, this is where you select them. So what I did was I came over to this place and I saw this validator, which is over here, and this validator has a very high APR, which is over here. Like I was checking out every other one, I saw that they are all like 419, 412, 430, the same percentage, which is making this delegation that I did was very slow. I wasn't earning much. Like after a week, I was still having like 0.02, something like that, 0.06, stuffs like that. So I wasn't happy. I was like, is this how it's gonna be on the mainnet? It's gonna be very slow. That means for me to earn just one ticker take me like weeks. That's not good enough. So I decided to make some research, and I found this validator, which is over here. And I believe these are validators that are going to be recruited when the mainnets come up. Like the recruited validators are going to be having some things like code like this, some code like this in front of their name. So sorry. So I had to delegate my core into that validator, and what happened, all I saw was I saw that the my core were increasing very fast. So like within 2 days, I got two ticker on my balance. I was surprised. So now that's another good thing you need to know about this delegating of a thing, because in the mainnet, when the mainnet code goes live, you will need a very good validator in order for you to delegate and earn good profit with your core. So I just showed you guys what you should do, what you should check out. Don't forget, check out the APR of every validator before you delegate your coins to them. So now in this video, I'm just going to show you how. Okay, let me quickly claim this 2 core into my balance so that you can see that I got it in my balance. First of all, let's go to the wallet and check. Let's check what is available on the balance, and you can see over here we have nothing on the balance, nothing really, which is here 0.009 blah blah blah. That's what we have on the balance. So I'm going to undelegate my core and also claim my reward for you all to see how this works. A lot of people are also asking me, how do I undelegate? I'm going to show you that in this video. So the first thing I need to do is claim the 2 core that is on the balance first. I need to claim it. It's going to go and join up with in my wallet. It's going to go back to my wallet. So let's quickly finish with this. Then I'll show you how you can undelegate your core and send it straight to your wallet. So have no fear, once you undelegate your core, it is going back to your wallet. There's no two ways about it. You will definitely see it in your wallet. So okay, nice. Okay, we go on. Close. Okay, I've already claimed this page will take a while for it to load up, for you to it's going to update. Yes, you give it time for it to update. You won't see this again when next you come back. So now let's quickly check our balance. No, let's not check our balance. Let me undelegate. I've already claimed the 2 core. Now I need to undelegate this particular one that the particular 8 core that you can see here. I want to undelegate them all, so for you to see how it works. So all you need to do is to come over here, click on this. I just clicked on the code. Okay, now you can see fine. Now that I click on it, you can see it's showing me I have 2 buttons available over here, above here. So I have to do what I want to do. If I want to delegate more, I just click on delegate. But right now I want to undelegate to show you guys. So I'm going to undelegate right now for you to see. So all I need to do is click on it. It's going to drop down. Then you undelegate coin. You click on that. Okay, now we'll click on confirm. Okay, we'll give it more time for it to load, and I think my network is a little bit slow. Okay, good. And we close this. All right, now we just undelegated our coins from here. Now I know many people are still wondering, after the undelegation, where is the coin going to? Not to fear, I'll show you. Let's go to the wallet, click on wallet, and boom, you can see You can see what I'm talking about. So now I have 10 core on my balance. That is including the 2 core I earned from the rewards I got from the 2 days. The 4 days delegation I did. So guys, this is a very simple thing to understand. All you need to do is check the APR of the validator. If you have a very good APR, you can see a very good APR over there. Go ahead, jump on it, delegate your core. And you need to know that the more core you delegate on the minute is the more rewards you earn daily. So, and you need to understand that the rewards are updated every 2 days. So yeah, it takes like 2 days for it to get updated on the balance. So guys, that is how it works. Very simple, and it's something I know you can all handle. That's why I'm showing you this video, so that you can get it straight. Don't get confused in anything. So guys, if you like what I showed you, first of all, please give this video a thumbs up. It's gonna help this video it's gonna help YouTube recommend this video to people looking for this kind of content. Also, it's gonna help a lot of people in the community, in the core community. A lot of people are looking for things like this to understand how this thing work. So please give this video a thumbs up. It's an appreciation from you, so, and a little motivation for me too. So guys, I thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell sign for more updates coming up. So guys, I see you again in the next video. Bye.